Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Joyful Faith Thrives with Auntie Mina. Here we embrace life's joys and challenges with faith, grace, and intention. I am Mina Como, aka Auntie Mina, a retired nurse, entrepreneur, and most importantly, your sister in Christ. And I am so thrilled to have you here. Life can feel like an intricate tapestry, moments of joy interwoven with trials that test our strength. But through it all, as children of God, there's one unshakable anchor, our faith. Here, we will explore how to thrive in every aspect of life, whether it is nurturing your spirits, managing your health and finances, or creating a life of purpose and joy. Each week, we will share heartfelt insights, practical tips, and inspiring stories to help you live intentionally and holistically. We'll laugh, reflect, and grow together as we lean into God's promises and His perfect plan for our lives. So, whether you are here to deepen your faith, embrace a healthier lifestyle, or simply connect with like-minded women, you are in the right place. Let's embrace joyful faith and thrive as we walk this journey together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because this journey is just getting started. I love you.